Today we're checking out this J&L 3.0 oil separator, black anodized, passenger side of the 2015 to 2023 Challenger SRT Demon, Hellcat, and Jailbreak. This oil catch can is a practical performance upgrade that helps keep your engine clean and running strong for years to come. And if you want your engine to be healthy, it's definitely worth checking out. This J&L 3.0 oil separator is designed to prevent oil vapors from being recycled back into your intake system through the PCV line. Over time, those vapors condense into oil buildup, which can coat the intake valves, the throttle body, and the combustion chambers. This not only robs your engine of power, but also creates harmful deposits that can lead to major issues, reduced fuel efficiency, and even premature engine wear. By using a multi-stage filtration system with a fine stainless mesh combined with an aluminum honeycomb system, this helps those oil vapors condense down and drop into the catch can and not get recycled back into the intake. With its relatively large 3 fluid ounce capacity, it captures a significant amount of oil between service intervals. Now you're going to want to check your catch can after about 500 to 1,000 miles of driving, and that will help you gauge when you need to empty out your reservoir and in exactly what mile increments based on your exact style of driving. The real benefit here is going to be long-term engine health. Keeping oil mist out of the intake means cleaner combustion, more consistent octane levels, and less carbon buildup on your valves. That translates into a smoother operation, preserving horsepower, and fewer maintenance headaches down the road. It not only performs exceptionally well, but it also adds a clean, high-end modded look under the hood when you go to show off that engine bay. When it comes to the construction, this is machined from high-grade billet aluminum, and the J&L 3.0 is built for strength and longevity. Its tight seal design, robust construction, and corrosion-resistant finish make sure it's going to last you for the long haul. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that low 200s price range. That's a solid value for significantly cleaner valve to intake, airflow, and increasing your engine health for the long term. Installation on this is pretty simple, so it's rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 1 hour of your time. Now let's see exactly how this gets installed with a video from one of our American Muscle customers.
Alright, so today we will be installing an oil separator on a 2023 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Classic Call. This is the JSC oil separator. As you can see, got the bracket here. I'm going to be using just a pair of pliers. It's recommended to use a 13mm socket to get here. That's where the oil catch can be mounted on. And then I will go through step by step on how to do it. Alright, so for the first part of this video, we're going to put this winged nut backwards on the stud here. Alright. Back in here. You have to put it on backwards, and this is for so the oil separator doesn't hit the throttle body here. Whenever you get it fully installed, you'll see that it's really close. So you use this to adjust how far away it sits from that. So we can go ahead and install this guy all the way to the end for now, until we need to adjust it later. Nice having tiny hands. All right. And then we gotta pop this valve cover off apparently. Remove that all the way. Make it a little easier to work with. We're gonna take the oil separator and we are going to mount it to the top of the bracket, or to the bracket real quick. So we already have that part out of the way. You get screws in here. You line up the logos. J&L OSC. Alright, so we have the first one going. I forget a screwdriver. Alright, so we got these all finger tightened up. Ready to go. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and pop off the valve. There's just a clip here. tab on this side, grip on this side. I'm saying it correctly. So push this on the back side, and it really sits beautiful. And then this one's the same thing. It looks like pops the caveat. Something that's a little warm. How do you get a new tool to try to help with this thing out here? Alright, so I got it off. Finally. Alright, make sure this one here is nice and tight. My handy dandy big screwdrivers. Nice and good there. Alright, so now we are going to attach the hoses first. Because apparently these ones are molded, so it's really hard to move them once you get them in. And from what I heard, this one goes on the front here. Attaches to this one, if I'm not mistaken. Behind. You see how it's really close to hitting the throttle body, so that's where you want to go over here. This one. On the back side. A little more clearance. That's there. Throttle body. I gotta grab the last screw. Place it on over the correct way this time. Alright, and then we tighten it. Alright, there she is. J&L OSC. Attached right there. Attached right there. Good. Just forgot we have to install the valve cover gasket here. I don't know. It just snaps over the top here. J&L.
All right, that's going to wrap things up for our review and install of the J&L 3.0 oil separator in anodized black for the passenger side of the 2015 to 2023 Challenger SRT Demon, Hellcat, and Jailbreak. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.